We are looking at how to pronounce this name, as well as how to say more confusing names that many get wrong, including from fashion. This is famous for being the name of a perfume and a famous singer as well. In French it is said as Anais. Anais. It sometimes often has two dots on the I, meaning that the sound of A and E, the A and the I are separate. Anais. In English, it's generally pronounced as Anais. Anais. It's easy, and now you know. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support, and thanks for watching.